back, children. I hope you are doing well. And I also hope that you have finished your homework. Did you do? Well, if not, then we will do it together, okay? And those of you all who have finished the homework, I want you to check if you have written the correct answer or not. So, are you ready, children, to do the exercises for today? Perfect. So, I want you to go and get your EVS textbook and your pencil. Alright? Remember that I had given you page number 27 for homework? Yeah, so we are going to do it together. Alright? So, the first exercise is write the baby's name in each animal bubble. Okay, so you can see the bubble here and the animal down. So the baby animal you have to write here. Okay, of each of them. So for dog, what is the baby called? It is called as the pup. So you will write here P-U-P, pup. The next one is lion. What is the baby name of the lion? Cub. C-U-B. Cub. For the cow, calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. For the goat, kid. K-I-D. Kid. Alright? The next one. Match the animal name with their babies. So you will match the animal name and write this number on the boxes here. Alright? So the lion is cub. I wrote this number here. Kangaroo is Joey. 2. Dog is pup. 3. Goat is kid. 4. Hen is chick. And it will be here 5. So this will be the order of the number. Okay. If it's wrong, children, please correct it and write the correct number. So with this we have finished page number 27. We will turn to page number 30. Okay? Insects. So children, we have already finished this topic, right? We have covered the topic insect and also birds, right? If you don't remember, please go and see the video. Okay? So, underline the birds and circle the insects. Okay? You have to underline the bird and you will circle the insects. Okay? Perfect. So the first one is parrot. So parrot is a bird. So we will underline the bird. Okay? Next, honeybee is an insect. Circle it. Dove is a bird. Underline it. Mosquito is an insect. So we will circle it. The next one, eagle is a bird. We will underline it. Housefly, it's an insect. So we will circle it. The next one, butterfly is also an insect. Okay, so we are going to circle it. Peacock is a bird. It's our national bird, right? Yeah. The next one we have is wasp. Children, wasp, it's an insect, right? You can see here, it's an insect, so we will underline it. Sorry, we will circle it. Owl. Owl is a bird. Underline it. Sparrow is also a bird. And crow is also a bird. Okay, children? So with this we have finished exercise A. So moving on to exercise B. Name a green bird. Any green bird, children. Okay? I am going to write here parrot. Okay? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. The next one. A bird which cannot fly. If you turn the page to page number 28, down you can see here, right? The birds which cannot fly are called as flightless bird. Okay, they are called as flightless birds. Ostrich, hen and ducks. They cannot fly. They are called as flightless birds. So we are going to write here any one of them. Okay, I am going to write here duck. D-U-C-K. You can also write hen and ostrich. If in the exam you write any one of them, it will be correct. Okay? Perfect. Our national bird, children. Which is our national bird? Absolutely correct. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. A blackbird. Okay? I am going to write here crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. The next one is a bird that swims. Children, if you turn again here, there are a lot of birds which can swim, right? Duck can swim. So I am also going to write here duck. Okay? Duck. D-U-C-K. Doesn't matter if it's the same. Okay? The next one. Write A for animals, B for birds and I for insects. Okay? We will write A for animals, B for bird and I for insects. Okay? The first one. Lion is an animal, children. Alright? So you will write here A. Owl is a bird. B. Turtle or tortoise is an animal. A. Mosquito is an insect. I. Cockroach is also an insect. I. Pigeon is a bird. B. Spider is an insect. I. Zebra is an animal. And woodpecker is a bird. So children, with this we have finished page number 31. So children, now we will turn back to page number 29. I know this we haven't done, right? Yeah, so we are going to learn body parts of a bird and body parts of a dog. Alright? So first we will learn for the bird, okay? As you can see here, the body parts are already marked. Okay? We will call them out together. Beak, eye, head, wing, feathers, tail, leg, foot. Again, beak, head, eye, wing, feather, tail, leg and foot. Okay? Perfect. The next one we have is part of a dog. Okay? So first we have eye, ear, nose, tongue, paw, claw, fur, tail. Children, the hair of the dog which they are covered with is called as fur. Okay? Again, ear, eye, nose, tongue, paw, claw, fur, tail. So children, did you understand the different body parts of the bird and the dog? Perfect. So with that we will turn to page number 32 where we are going to name these things. Alright? So the numbers are given here. We are going to write the numbers here. Okay? First, which part is this, children? Can you tell me? Can you remember? It's the paw, right? And paw is in number 4. So we are going to write 4 here. 4. Then this is the... Can you tell me, children? Which part of the body is this? It's the claw, right? But we don't have anything for this part, right? Yeah. But leg is there, right? Can you see number 5, leg? But we will cut this and we will write claw. C-L-A-W. Because here on page number 29, it is given claw, right? So, here we are going to change leg as claw. And we will write here number 5. Okay? Perfect. This part, children. Which part is this? It's the tail. Number 3. We are going to write here 3. Next, ear. Can you tell me, children, where is ear? It's in number 2. So we are going to write 2 here. Next is the head. The head is in number 1. So 1. Eye. Right? Eye is in number 7. So we will write here 7. And the last one is nose. Number 6. Make sure that you have written all the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay? The next one we have is the bird. So we will start with this part. Children, which part is this? It's the beak. So beak is number 1. So 1. Which part is this? Eye. Eye is in number 3. So we will write here 3. Next is the... Children, which part of the body of the bird this is? It's the head. Head is in number 5. So 5. Next we have is the wing, right? Yes, wing is in number 7. So 7. Next is the tail. Tail is in 6. Foot, right? So foot is in 4. So children, which one is left? Can you see? This part, right? This is the body of the bird. So body is in number 2. So children, with this we have finished D, exercise D. So exercise E is for homework, okay? You can color this with whatever colors you like. Okay, it's a beautiful butterfly. If you color it, it will become more beautiful. Alright, so you will color this and I will check this in the next class. Okay? So children, the next is plants and trees. We have already done this, right? Big plants, small plants, right? Yes. We had also done parts of the plant, right? The different parts of the plant, that is the leaf, fruit, flower, stem, roots, right? Yes. Flowers. We have also done flowers and fruits and vegetables, and we have also done edible parts of the plant. So children, if you don't remember learning all this, please go and see the videos again. Okay? So now we are going to do the exercises. Okay? So the first one, label the picture with the serial number. As you can see, the serial numbers given here, these are the serial numbers. Okay? So we have to write the number in the boxes here. Orange. Where is orange? Here, right? So we will write here 1. Papaya has 2. Apple is 3. Banana is 4. Coconut is 5. And cherry is 6. Okay? The next one is complete the word. Children, which vegetable is this? Tomato, carrot, peas, onion. We are going to write it down here. Okay? So starting with P. Which vegetable starts with P? Peas, right? So P, E, A, S. The next is C, carrot. C, A, R, R, O, T, carrot. Now which one starts with T? Tomato. T, O, M, A, T, O. Tomato. And the last one is onion. O, N, I, O, N. Onion. Wasn't it easy? Yes, it was, right? Perfect. So children, with this we have finished page number 29. Next, 39. Alright, 39. Next we will turn to page number 40. Riddle time. Okay, children? Just remember what I had taught you, okay? I am the king of fruits. You eat me in the summer. What am I? Children, which fruit is the king of all fruits? It's the mango, right? We will spell it and write it here, okay? M A N G O. Mango. Next, I am yellow. Take off my peel and eat me. Children, which fruit do we peel and eat before eating? It's the banana, right? Correct. We will write it down here, okay? B A N A N A. Banana. Next one. I am purple or green. I grow on a vine. Children, remember the fruit which is purple or green? It's the grapes, right? So you are going to write here grape. G R A P E. Okay? The next one. Match the flower with their names. So children, the flower names are right here. We will say it out together, okay? Rose, lily, lotus, daisy, sunflower. And here the pictures are there, okay? So we are going to match it. So which flower is this? It's the daisy, okay? So we're going to match it here with the arrow. Next we have is sunflower and rose and lily and last the lotus. Okay? Perfect. The next one we have here is page number 41. So children, this is the last writing page, okay? So, give one word answer. Which is our national fruit? Children, which is our national fruit? Correct. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Which a flower which grows in a pond? So children, which flower grows in a pond? Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. A flower that faces the sun is the sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Our national flower? Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. And the king of vegetable is the brinjal, right? B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Did you write it down, children? Perfect. The next one is name the following. Okay. So this, children, there can be many orange color vegetables or vegetable that grows underground, or sour vegetables or leafy vegetables or vegetable used in salads. It can differ, okay? You can write different vegetables also, okay? But I want you to write the same one which I am writing it here, okay? So 2 orange vegetables, okay? I'm going to write here carrot, and I will write here pumpkin. Okay? 2 vegetables that grows underground. Underground means beneath the soil or beneath the ground. Okay? I'm going to write here potato, and I'm going to write here onion. Okay? 2 sour vegetables. I'm going to write here lemon and tomato. 2 leafy vegetables. Okay? I'm going to write here spinach and cabbage. Okay? 2 vegetables used in salads. Okay? I will write here cucumber and I will write here lettuce. Lettuce. Alright? So children, with this we have finished F. Name the following. The next one is draw and color an apple, an orange and a banana. Okay, so I'm going to draw it here and then you can color it afterwards. Okay. Apple and an orange. An orange is never round. Okay, so we can write and a banana. Okay. So children, you can color it afterwards. Okay. So this is how we finished page number 41. So the next page we'll go is page number 42. Children, this you will do for homework. Okay. All the coloring work you will do for homework. Okay. You can this different colors you can color it with and also the pot. Okay. With this we have come to the end of our class today. Okay, I hope that you do your work and enjoy your time coloring. Okay, I will see you soon. Until then, take good care of yourself and don't trouble your parents. Alright, bye.